Hey everyone, welcome to Mesa. We have got a brand new listing coming to the market that we are super excited about. We are in Hannibal Street in Northeast Mesa, right off of the 202 and Brown Road. If you're familiar with this area at all, you know that this is an area of some of Mesa's most popular schools. So we're really excited for all the families that potentially might be interested in this property. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough with our photographer here and just get you the details on this house. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 2-car garage with a really nice oversized backyard. So again, so close to Red Mountain High School and some of the other great properties in this area. So no HOA, a lot of great stuff to show you guys today. So let's head on in to our house. Oh, I forgot to tell you, split floor plan.